Hello everyone. Long ago there was a king. Under him, thousands of people lived happily, and king used to rule the whole country, whole kingdom. So once what he thought, he decided to check all the people who were being ruled by him and were they living happy or not. Though they all people were living happy, and they led the people led a good wealthy life under the king. The greatest thing was that king was very kind hearted and greatest philanthropist. So once king decided to visit all over the country, and uh, for checking the people and how they are living and all, and he decided to visit by foot. He did not take any rain chariot and all. So along with him lots of people also went. He took near about 3 months to visit all over the places and all. He took near about 6 months also who visited some more places. When he came back, so everybody got happy that king came to them, and they that felt too much glad that king came, and he met everybody. King also felt too much happy, but he had the one regret. While walking, he had the too much pain in his both feet, and when he came back, he decided to um, do something better for the people who were being ruled by him, because though he was doing good, but he wanted to do something better. So he again called everybody in his completely kingdom, and then he ordered all the ministers that roads were too much stony and they were not comfortable, so they are supposed to be changed. Whole road should be covered by the leather. In this way what will happen, that at least people who are living in this kingdom, they would not have the pain as I have been bearing this pain. Ministers got shocked and they were stunned uh, by hearing the king's order. But what to do? So out of them, one of the ministers came out. He said, why not to cover your foot in the appropriate shape of your foot, and why not to uh, buy one leather and just make your foot cover. In this way what will happen, you will also feel comfortable, and those people who have the pain, they will also get the remedy. King liked that suggestion, because if whole and all roads were covered by the leather, so what would have happened? First, most of the animals would have been slaughtered, and huge amount would have been invested and wasted. So king loved the suggestion which that minister gave. They loved his wisdom, and even king got the one pair of shoes made, and he asked every countryman that they are also supposed to wear the shoes which he got it made. In this way, that minister saved huge amount and huge lives of the animals. And the thing is that he changed the king's idea. The thing is that nothing is changed, people say, when we are unable to change ourselves. We don't see the world as it is, we see the world as we are. So first we are supposed to change ourselves. If we change ourselves, what world itself is changed. Thank you guys for listening to me.